The 03MM-DC21V box contains the following components: a front 684mm boom, back 778mm boom, G-unit with a built-in ballon, 1/4-inch bolt, two 520mm swivel lock elements, along with a bag of washers, wing nuts and bolts. Step 1. Snap out the two riveted swivel lock elements located on the front 684mm boom and 5 riveted swivel lock elements situated on the back 778mm boom. Step 2. Snap out front and back corner reflectors located on the back 778mm boom. Step 3. Attach the G-unit to the back 778mm boom underbody, lining up the pre-drilled holes located on the G-unit and boom. Bolt these two units together using the 1/4-inch bolt, flat washer, spring washer and wing nut provided in the small plastic bag. Ensure you install the flat washer, spring washer and wing nut on top of the boom body. Step 4. Join the front 684mm boom to the back 778mm boom using the 3 16-inch Phillips flathead bolt, spring washer and wing nut provided in the small plastic bag. Make sure you install the spring washer and wing nut on the underbody of the boom body. Step 5. Install the two 520mm swivel lock elements included to the top of the booms using the pre-drilled holes located at the front and middle of the joining booms. Step 6. Attach the antenna to the mast using the U-bolt and point to your nearest transmitter. Slide the rubber boot seal into your coaxial cable. Strip the coaxial cable, attach the connector provided, and connect to the antenna's ballon. Fix the coaxial cable down the mast using UV-grade insulation tape and cable ties.